So she's welcoming me into her place. It's a very nice place. It's a very parang siyang compact but homey.
Yes.
Very homey. And thank you for welcoming me here. Of course, Panji, Papa Panji. And hello, sir. What's your name?
My name's Ken.
Ken? My name's Garby. Ken. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hello, Ken. I'm Barbie. Okay, this is my song. This is my original song. The song that I'll be singing. I'm one of the writers of the song, but this song talks about a lot about someone like if you're always in the dark, if you're sad, if you're mad, sometimes you just have to be yourself, or sometimes you just want to let go of yourself. But then, since you have the heart, since you have a lot of people around you that love you so much, I want to say that no, I cannot let go because there are a lot of friends, a lot of people who love me. Just let go of the toxicities and negativities in life. Okay? No sad. Just moto. Okay? Alright, let's do this. Gusto ko ng... Walang tinig na naririnig, nakikipaglaban sa tikman, natalo na hanggang kailan, talo na, pagod na, akala ko'y kay sa akin pa pero hindi na pala, wala na nga ba talaga, nilalang ka lang sa kadiliman, nalinig ang nalilito, ano nga ba ako sa'yo? Sino nga ba ako sa'yo? Dito sa aking pagkakahilan, sa dibdib ko ay parang may dangkadagan, walang kasing lambot, walang kasing sakit. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa, siguro kalaban ang sarili. Sino ang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, oh.
Galing. Sobrang galing.
Limuot man. Uy!
Parang ano lang, nakikinig ka lang ng ano, audio na
Diba, ano,
recording.
ang linis, ano?
Sobrang linis. I'm so proud nandito ako. Dapat kasi may gigas.
Wow, thank you. I'm so thankful for
Siyempre, ano ko si mama.
Igang. Igang kaayo. Okay. Who I think you know the song. This is from Huntrix. Do you watch Huntrix? Do you watch Huntrix, Ken? Because Barbie watches Huntrix. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna sing this
Wow.
because I think you know, all of you know this. Okay, right? Let's do this. Let's party!
Yay!
Mama, huwag ka mag-live kasi hindi alam na magsusoy sila.
Ay, hindi naman siya kita, ma.
I was a ghost.
Hindi kami nagpaalam.
Hindi kami nagpaalam.
It's a bed.